Hey guys, I'm finally at 200 subscribers and I'm gonna burn my body right now. Like, burn the shit out of myself. What's up? It's your boy Kidzen and I am here to announce that, no, not announce, breaking news. I have hit 200 subscribers on YouTube. I am happy ASF. I might not sound as happy, but bro, I'm at 200 subscribers, man. I worked for this. Like, bro, come on, give a nigga some credit. So, this isn't really gonna be a video. It's just gonna be a video about me saying, yo, thanks for 200 subscribers. I mean, it really means a lot, like, for everybody to be commenting on my videos, liking my videos, sharing my videos, letting people sub to it, sharing around and shit. People, the paper just floating. Anyway, just I said thanks on this. Everybody keep on support me and thing. Thanks for that. And what else supposed to be on the video again? This shit is really tight on my head and I can't really concentrate. But alright, so like remember that time that I said, yo, I'm gonna start post video like 2 videos every week? That shit did not work out. You cannot post 2 videos every week because it's too much work for me. I don't know about you people, like all the other people in with the YouTube and thing, but for me, it's very complicated and hard and just, oh gosh, like, brother, easy brother. I have school I do. I have this I do, I have that I do. I just always occupied and I can't really find the time to vlog about stuff, to make video about stuff because you're gonna need ideas. I mean, like, I have ideas, like enough weird fool ideas. Half of the ideas I can't do till we left school. Either me get arrested, expelled, suspended, me get deported out of the country, like reach to 21. Anyway, the thing is, I just can't do it that often, like, oh, people would want me to, like, no, I really want to do it, but I just can't do it because it's just too much. It's just too much right now. But I try a thing, I try upload the next video this week. I promise you know, I go upload our next video this week in the same week because there are 200 subs. I'm happy, like, I'm very happy. Like, people are engaged with me, so I'm happy. So I really want to make the video long, like the last one, like the whole 30 minutes of getting to know me, which means half of people and they'd say, yo, the video did it too freaking long, like 35 minutes of me a chat. You would just get bored if you just see me a chat for like all 2 minutes, but some people still end up watching the whole 30 minutes, so if you end up watching the whole 30 minutes, like, when I true fans, respect on for that, you see me? But bro, she's just genre stars. I'm gonna do some more videos. Like, I'm gonna do some more videos. Okay, guys, just bear with me. I have school. I'm kind of busy at times, so yeah. And sleep a kill me right now. Like, it's supposed to be like 3 o'clock in the friggin' morning, and then me at school now. The next 2 hours. Yo, brother, how much I got? I'm not even a clock. How much I got? Let's see if I can read this. This is my Rolex, by the way. Bust down. Just kidding. It's just late. Anyway, just enough this video, like, right now. Don't want to make it too long. So thank you all guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. This is just my thank you video for 200 subs. Please continue subscribing, continue hitting that bell notification so you never miss a video. Just like, share, comment, subscribe. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Okay, that's weird. That's weird. But like, just do that. Support a nigga. Help out a nigga. Good luck. Santan gang. Peace. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Just like, comment, share, subscribe, bro. Support a nigga, man. I don't even know why I put this in. This was just supposed to be some blooper shit. I don't know what I'm doing. I just found these, so I just put these on. These on, these on, these on, these on. Yo, subscribe, man. Don't mind me.